Hey guys, in today's video I would be telling you how much does Lil Red Heidi makes on YouTube. So if you wanna know, then watch the video till end and subscribe the channel to know how much your favorite YouTuber earns. First of all, how does YouTubers get paid? They get paid by placing ads on their videos. If they place more ads, they makes more money. Secondly, CPM stands for cost per 1000 views, means how much advertiser pays to run their ads on YouTube. Average CPM is $4 and the earning depends on many factors, from where the video is watched, how long the video was watched. Thirdly, YouTube takes 45% of creator revenue, means 55% creator gets and 45% YouTube takes. Now let's take a look at the channel analytics. It has over total of 197,000 subscribers and total 122 videos and 224.8 million total views lifetime on their channel today while filming the video. Now let's take a look at their estimated revenue. How much does it makes annually, monthly from YouTube? This channel gets over 6,000 subscribers per month and over 550,000 views per month. So according to that, if we multiply views with $4 CPM, then their estimated monthly earning is $2,300. And multiplying monthly earning with 12 shows that they makes over $27,000 annually. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to know earning of other YouTuber, comment down their channel name and like the video and don't forget to subscribe.